How to get truck insurance in USA. The best commercial truck insurance companies for 2021. Brandon Medina, last update July 16, 2021. Commercial truck insurance is coverage that protects trucking businesses that use trucks or independent truck drivers. This guide will cover all of the information business owners and contractors should know when buying commercial truck insurance. More specifically, this guide will review how commercial truck insurance works, how much it costs, different coverage options, requirements for business, how to get a truck insurance quote, and the top insurance provider. Before diving into the details, here is a preview of our top trucks. Instead of providing a list of top 10 commercial truck insurance companies, will boil our research down to the three best providers to choose them. Understanding commercial truck insurance. Commercial truck insurance is a significant investment for business owners before signing up for a policy. It is important to understand the coverage that your business needs and to adhere to federal and state law. This guide will first provide an overview of commercial truck insurance, including the type of coverage, costs, and legal requirements. Then, we'll review how to evaluate different providers and share some recommendations for top insurance companies that cover commercial trucks. What is commercial truck insurance? Commercial truck insurance refers to a series of auto insurance policies used by trucking businesses companies that use trucks or independent truck drivers. The purpose of this insurance is to provide financial and legal protection for bodily injury and property damage, as well as they provide coverage for specialized cargo and trucking equipment. Unlike commercial auto insurance, which covers a wide range of vehicles used for business purposes, commercial trucking insurance applies to large vehicles such as semi-trucks, often used for construction, transport of goods, or agriculture. Commercial trucks insurance takes into account the type of cargo or material being transported as well as the size and type of vehicle. Policies are available for many types of commercial trucks, including trucks, common mixers, pickup, and tractors. How does commercial truck insurance work? Commercial truck insurance falls under the broader category of commercial auto insurance. However, commercial trucking insurance is specifically used by truck drivers and businesses that use trucks. Truck insurance is purchased to cover specific vehicle and it is most often purchased by the owner of those vehicles. The insurance also only applies when individuals who are listed on the insurance policy are using the vehicle for business purposes. The individual listed on the policy will also determine the cost of the policy, as their driving record is an important factor for determining monthly premiums. The type of business and individual that buy usually fall into the following categories. Motor carriers. These refer to far higher trucking companies that own a fleet of vehicles. They are responsible for insuring their fleet. Owner operators. These are individuals who own and operate their own trucking business. This phrase most often refers to individuals and the most often their vehicles. Sometimes the owner is leasing their vehicle from a motor carrier who owns it, and in these cases the vehicle is usually insured by its owner. Private carriers. These are individuals who use their personal vehicle to transport goods on behalf of their employer. People who frequently transport goods for their company use their personal vehicle may be asked to buy their own insurance or may be compensated by their employer for insurance costs. Any of these business can purchase commercial trucks insurance. Coverage is available for a single box truck or for an entire fleet of semi-trucks. When you choosing a policy, the owner must work with an insurance company to define these factors. Coverage define which damage incident and expenses will be covered. Monthly premium, the amount of money that the policy holder must pay to retain the policy. Deductible, the amount of money a covered company may must pay toward their tail claim before coverage kicks in.